Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding the viable path, streaming, web, or a native port. Once decided, verify technical prerequisites like Play services, hardware sensors, and backend APIs. Download the APK and collect source or API docs so you can map features to iOS capabilities. Make sure to set up test iPhones, Apple Developer Access, and a staging backend. From here, move immediately into the chosen workflow. Don't delay on peripheral setup. Focus on the main compatibility trade-offs. Once done with prep, implement the main conversion. If you choose streaming, deploy a stable Android VM, enable video codecs and input forwarding, and secure low-latency networking. If you choose a PWA, refactor UI for touch, add service workers, and ensure offline behavior with HTTPS. If you port, translate Android components to Swift or Flutter, and re-implement native UI. Preserve business logic by extracting backend services. Make sure to run continuous tests on iPhone hardware as you progress, and iterate fast. To finish, validate quality. Test UX, permissions, battery draw, and edge cases on multiple iPhones. Once stable, prepare App Store metadata or finalize streaming endpoints and SSL certificates. Release to internal testers first, gather crash logs, and iterate. If things go wrong, start by reviewing remote session logs, network latency, and codec compatibility. Also confirm manifest and entitlements match iOS expectations. Reproduce failures on a local test rig, then patch the backend or UI mapping. Repeat until production ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.